The downfall of the Ard, a Quranic cautionary tale. The blessings and the betrayal. Surah Al-A'raf, 74. We begin with a reminder of Allah's favor. He made humanity successes after the Ard, settling them in a bountiful land. People built grand dwellings on plains and carved homes from mountains. The arrogance and the warning. This prosperity, however, led to a moral failing. The verses, particularly from Surah Al-Shu'ara, 123, highlight how the Ard rejected the messengers sent by God and became arrogant. A repeated pattern of disobedience. The Quran emphasizes that the Ard were not alone in their disobedience. Surah Al-Hajj, 42, and Surah Al-Furqan, 38, mention them alongside communities like Noah's people and Thamud, who all faced destruction for rejecting divine guidance. A message for all. Surah Al-Tawbah, 7, and Surah Al-Fajr, 6, serve as a stark warning for humanity. These verses remind us that abusing God's blessings and spreading corruption will have consequences. Just as the Ard forgot their gratitude, we too can be led astray. The Quran emphasizes the importance of honoring treaties and following a righteous path as exemplified by those who fear God. The severity of the punishment. While the specific nature of the Ard's punishment isn't explicitly stated, e.g., Surah Al-Qamar, 18, the severity is undeniable. The identity of a mysterious figure. The identity of one intense in strength, mentioned in Surah Al-Najm, 5, remains a point of debate, with some interpretations suggesting a possible link to the Ard's destruction. The people of Ard, an ancient Arabian tribe, are mentioned throughout the Quran as a cautionary tale. Blessed with prosperity and power after a previous civilization's demise, they inhabited a land of vast plains and towering mountains. Yet, their hearts grew arrogant. Instead of expressing gratitude to Allah, they misused their resources, constructing extravagant palaces and carving homes from the mountains. Despite warnings from their prophets, the Ard persisted in their denial and disobedience. Their rejection of divine guidance mirrored the behavior of other doomed nations like the people of Noah, Thamud, and Pharaoh. The Quran emphasizes the Ard's fate as a stark reminder. Arrogance and disobedience lead to destruction. The story serves as a powerful message about the importance of gratitude, humility, and following Allah's commandments. A cautionary tale for the ages. The story of the Ard serves as a powerful reminder throughout the Quran. We are called to remember the importance of gratitude, humility, and obedience to God's commandments.